Hi and welcome to Formanite Academy. Today we learn how to multiply multi-digits numbers with the multi-digits number. We already have learned how to multiply by a single digit number. So you already know how to multiply when we have a single digit bottom number, right? You just multiply the bottom digit by the top number starting from the right side at the ones place and move toward the left side. Now you multiply the multi-digit number at the top by the multi-digit bottom number. So you multiply the first digit by each top digit and then you multiply the second digit by the each top number. That means you will get two answers. But what will we do with the two different answers? So relax, we just add the two different answers at the last once we are finished doing all our multiplication steps. Now first we understand with the example, then you will understand. Let's take 324 multiply 3. Now, first step is to stack these numbers. We multiply with 32. Now, this question is right. Stack these numbers. 324 multiply by 32 and write the symbol. Draw the answer lines. Now, we start the same way we have already done if the bottom had only one digit. Just ignoring the second digits until we finish the first three steps of the multiplication. Let's start from the ones place. 2 times 4 is 8. Now, move to the next column. 2 times 2 is 4. And next, 2 times 3 is 6. Now you see no more steps for the first digit. Then repeat the each step with the second bottom number. Then we get a new answer which we will put to right below the first answer. And at the very end, after we all done multiplication, we're gonna add the two answers together, just like the multi-digits addition. Because the second digit is placed at the 10th place, so before we do the multiplication, we need to do very important thing is we add a zero at the first spot because digit is not only 3, its value is 30, which is 10 times bigger than the first digit, and we get a 10 times bigger answer. So when we put here answer digits, they are shifted toward the next bigger number places. And what will happen if we have a 3 digits number at the bottom? Then we get a third answer line over there by putting the 2 0. Then the answer digits is shifted more bigger places than the second one. And if we have the 4 digits at the bottom, then the answer line shifted by the 3 0. You see the pattern, we just stay focused when we multiply these numbers. So let's multiply the second digit of the bottom, which is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Now write the 2 and carry the 1 to the next column. Next, 3 times 2 is 6, add 1 plus 7. 3 times 3 is 9. Now we all done the multiplication step. Then draw the answer line, write the symbol of addition. Now add like a multi-digits addition. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. Write the 3 and carry 1 to the next column. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. Now we write the 10. Both digits are the 10 because we complete the steps and no digits is present beside the 9. Now let's understand by another examples. 25 multiply by 10 and 13 multiply by 12. Now first stack them. 25 multiply by 10, write the symbol and draw the answer line. Now start from the ones place at the right column. 0 times 5 is 0. Now move the next column. 0 times 2 is also 0. Now just put a 0 at the ones place for the second digit multiplication at the bottom. Now 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. Now add the both answers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. And plus, when we have the empty spaces, when we do the addition process, we just place the 0 at the empty spaces. Now 0 plus 2 is 2. Now the answer of the 25 times 10 is 250. Now stack these numbers. 13 multiply by 12, write the symbol and draw the answer line. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Now add the 0 at the ones place, then move to the tens place. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. Now add these two answers. 6 plus 0 is 0. 6. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1. The answer of this problem is 156. Let's take another example, which is 365 multiplied by 42. Let's understand this example in which the top number have the 3 digits and the bottom number have the 2 digits. First, stack these numbers. 365 multiply 42, write the symbol at the left side, draw the line. Now start. 2 times 5 is 10, write the 0 and carry 1 to the next column. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 carry will become 13. Write the 3 and move the carry to the next column. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Now place the 0 at the ones place. Now multiply the digit which is present at the tens place at the bottom. 4 times 5 is 20. Write the 0. Carry to the next column. 4 times 6 is 24 and add the carry which is 2. 24 plus 2 become 26. Now write the 6 and carry to the next column. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 carry become the 14. Now write the 14 because we don't have the other digits for the multiplication. Now draw a answer line. Write the symbol for the addition. Now place the 0 at the empty places. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 carry to the next column. 4 plus 0 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. Now the answer of 365 multiplied by 42 is 15,330. Now let's take example in which we have the 3 digits at the bottom number. 755 multiply 338. First, to stack these numbers, 755 multiply 338, write the multiply symbol, draw the answer line. First, 8 times 5 is 40, write the 0 and carry the 4. 8 times 5 is also 40, add the 4, become the 44. Write the 4 and carry the 4 to the next column. And 8 times 50 is 56, add the 4, 56 plus 4 becomes 60. Now write the 60 because we don't have any other digit for the multiplication. Now add the 0 at the ones place, multiply the digits which is 3 present at the tens place. 3 times 5 is 15, write the 5 and carry the 1 digit. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16, write the 6 and carry to the next column. 3 times 7 is 21, then add the 1 which becomes the 22 and write it fully. Now add the 20 because we multiply the 100 placed digit in the bottom. 3 times 5 is 15, write 5, carry 1 to the next column. Now 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 is carry, becomes 16, write 6 and add the 1, carry to the next column. 3 times 7 is 21, add the 1, become the 22. Now draw the answer line and write the symbol at the left side for the addition. Now add these answers. First place the 0, add the empty spaces. Now add 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 5 is 20. Now write the 2 and carry the 2 to the next column. 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 2 is 13. Write the 3 and carry to the next column. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Write the 5 and 1, carry to the next column. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now write the 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Now the answer of this problem is, the answer of this example, we obtain 255,300. No, this is our answer. I hope you understand all these problems which we are solved live, and see you again. Have a nice day. See you next video.